fast as possible, we're going to create a website. Like I always say, the fastest way to learn is to do, is to act. It's just so it's more like this is an unscripted video. It's more like a freestyle. So how I would do because if I had a client like want to create a website, so this is not going to be that sophisticated YouTube video you see. This is just more like a freestyle, like just the way I would do it. Like I'm not creating a video. So this is me basically. I'm a web developer. I've been using WordPress for like 5 years now. I love WordPress. I write code. I'm a front end. These are some of my projects I created. Just for context, who am I to talk to you to tell you what to do? But we are all still learning. So this part of my project, I created a website for here in Qatar. Someone created a website. So why I'm showing all this is just for you to know this is how I do it. Basically, I'm just doing it the way I would do it if I was. So this is some of the website I've created, and not to make the video too long, I'm just going to stop there. So yeah, it's my portfolio, my projects, and if you Google me, Osayende David, yeah, yeah. So this is me. So basically, it's not about me. It's about let's start to do what we are supposed to do. We want to create a website. So um, the fastest way to create a website, the fastest way to learn. I saw somebody. I was telling the person that okay, if you, I wish I had known, I would have just hands on, start doing what you're supposed to do. So basically, we are going to be using WordPress. So why WordPress? Um, the thing about WordPress is it's open source. You can just go and start using it. You understand? You can change you can if you learn about it, you can create your own thing, create your own stuff, and there's a lot of people already. So basically, there's a lot of people, a lot of communities, WordPress, other sites like Wix, and no shade to them, but those one they are inclusive website, they are closed system. This is an open system, so you they can customize it. You can create your own theme. You can create your own, like I did before. I created a theme for clients, a custom theme. If you don't like what you do, you like what you have in the market. So basically, it's an open source. You have different, and there's no solutions you're looking for. It's someone that probably already created it. So why waste your time? So just jump right into it. So like I said, it has anything and everything. 36% of the internet is um, done by WordPress. You can scale it. You can do a simple blog. You can do e-commerce. You can do membership site like I created for the site I showed you. Um, this site here is a membership website. So basically, guys, if you have anyone that wants to become I'm not a sponsor. She didn't pay me, but if you have anyone that wants to become a nurse in Qatar, he wants to take, you have some questions. She has gone through it. She has done it. So I actually created a website, a membership website. You subscribe and then you get access to quality content. So yeah, you can create that too with WordPress, and everything is that easy. So it's not that easy, but if you keep doing it, and like we're going to see how we're going to do it today. So the challenges of WordPress, basically, everything has ups and downs, pros and cons, but I think it is worth it. Uh, it's worth it. It's part of the it's part of life. You understand? There's no good without, there's no, everything is not completely perfect. So but this outdated extensions, plugin conflicts, overwhelming options, the pros outweighs the cons. So there's always a solution for everything. So yeah, basically that's it. If you want to, if WordPress is right for you, I prefer WordPress. So I don't. I've not really used that, but the fact that it's open source, you can just learn from it. It's open. You can take it and do anything with it. That's just perfect for me as a developer. So yeah, so now you want to know this which hosting is best for you. I For beginners, I recommend just go to Hostinger because it's very simple. They call it HPanel. You understand? So let's just go right straight into it. No too much talking. This is not a seminar. It's more like a practical. So if you already have, this is I already have some bunch of this I created. But if you want to get a new domain, I'm going to leave the link in the description below for a domain for you. But for you to get your domain very fast and use those things, can use this thing. If you want to get a domain, you just come here, you just click whatever domain you want .com, you just there and then you get it. So if you just follow along, you can do this and just click here and follow along. But for this one, I'm going to be using I already have a domain here, but I think the domain is empty, so I'm just going to add a website, WordPress. Yeah, okay, going to put my own. Okay. Okay, this is the admin login. So basically, we just create blank. We don't want anything. Create it blank, very fast. And then, okay, I'm going to use this. Is one of my client domain is empty. We did a mistake when the domain number is already bought, so I'm going to use it. At least it's being used for now. And you click next. So this is basically how you do it. Just that's all. That's is installing the WordPress in the domain. So now you just sit down and you get ready, get yourself ready. So basically, guys, like I said, this is going to be uh, hands-on. Like I said, the best way you can learn is basically just doing it. You know, in my years of experience of coding and everything, I've learned more from the errors, from the codes, than from anything. So, and you can only learn from the code and the everything just when you are doing. I made a mistake before I started I started doing I started reading too much about it. It's just going to give you an illusion of competence. It's going to give you an illusion of competence if you keep reading, keep doing everything else apart from you keep thinking that you know, but actually you don't. So the best way you can sometimes even when you try to implement what you learn, you say that you don't know it. So the best way to learn is to do. You see, illusion of competence. So basically, you think you know it and then you don't. This is not a psychological. This is not a psychological class. This is basically so. There we go. I did not show you guys, but basically, once it's done, it's just going to open up itself. It's just going to open up like this. So that's just that simple, very fast. Then we can start. We don't need all this. We don't need all this. So there's only two plugins we need. Two plugins we need to create the website as fast as possible. Now we are going to use one theme. Okay, we need one theme and two plugins. Uh, Elementor Kit. Elementor Kit. Yeah, that's search for Elementor Kit. Basically, guys, always try to. I'm not going to always to make your site. This is just side a tip for you guys. If you want to always remove all these, try to remove them. If you don't need them, you remove them. So where is the remove button? Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, but basically, since it's just for, but always try to remove as much as possible. Just leave one or two so the site will not be heavy. Elementor Kit, WP Kit Elementor. No, Royal Element. Okay, this is it. Royal Elementor Kit. You install this plugin. Just use this. This is it's very fast. It has with this one and just two installed. You activate. That's all. With this one and just too much plugin, two more plugin, you're done. So we activate. It's activated already. You see how we do it. Just install and activate. Now you go and you add new plugin. Okay, just click new plugin. I always like to open a new tab so I can always go back and forth. But there's just same thing. Add new plugin. First plugin we need one of the most popular plugin page builder is Elementor. We need that because from the name of the thing, it's a no-brainer. Elementor. So you install. See over. Always try to. Other tips, guy. Always try to check the when updated and all these things. It gives you some information, so you would not install the wrong. So just install it. Uh, yeah, once it's installed, it's a page builder we're going to use very fast. Basically, once it is installed, you now have to, okay, okay, no, we don't need all this right now. So just go back. So basically, guys, just bear with me. I'm just, as you can see, it's just more like a freestyle. It's just real, so you know how it is done. There's no too much sophisticated editing. It's just so this is the other one we are going for. I'm going to write it in the description. I could also put a link on my website, Royal Elementor add-on. So this one is what works together. It's compatible with the Elementor. So you will install it with these two. We are done. Class. We can now start building. That's, let's go to the fun part. So this is it, guys. Now, like I said, I it's a bit different, but it's the same thing. Let's skip. Let's just go straight to the point. Like I said, I don't know what I want to create, but I just want to. You see, this is the sweetest part. So you want to create a website yourself, or you want to just watch the video, and you want to set up. You're a business owner. You want to quickly set up a landing page. They already have everything here for you. All you just have to do is pick one. Okay, some of them are premium. This one is premium, but you can preview it. You can preview it. Like this one is not a premium site. Look at this one, looks nice. Let's choose this off. You see, okay. For example, I like to I like to always open a new. No, it's opening the image. I don't want the image. I want the. No, I don't want the. Okay, it's opening the image. My bad. So if you want to, you just click it, and then it shows you, and then you preview demo. You preview demo. It shows you how it is. So basically, now if you're no in this 20 in this time and age you don't have a website, but it could just take you less than how many we done already. See, all you just have to do is just edit, put your pictures and all. You're done. Hmm? So this looks nice, right, guys? Okay, let's just check one more. Okay, I like natural things. Okay, I like things. Okay, let's use this. Let's use this nature. Okay, this has more than one. Okay, this has more than this has 4 pages. Okay, let's just go with this. So basically, guys, after you've installed the uh, Elementor, Royal Elementor add-on, I'm going to add those things down in there. below. And let's use this one. Let's preview it. Let's. I don't know. I don't know what I want to create, but I just know. Like I said, this is just like a freestyle video, so there's not really of a big deal. So, but basically, before you have a website, before you can have it online like this is before you have to have a domain name, of course. To get a domain name, I showed you guys. You get a domain name from Hostinger. I showed you, or whatever platform you use. That's the first thing. Domain name is the address to where you're going, and then you have to host it. You see. And then once you host it in the same place, basically most of the places you get domain name, you get the hosting there. But we are not using this one. I like things that are natural, so we're going to try to use this one. So once you get your domain name from wherever you get your domain name, you get your hosting from basically the same people that offer the services for domain name. I don't know why it's slow. I'm actually at the I don't know why it's so slow right now. I wanted to show you guys something, but it's all good. I can come back. Let it finish loading. It's taking its time. They won't just for my hand. It's all good though. So let's use this one. Let's just use this one. Let's just jump to this. I will show you guys. Even I just don't want to make the video too long. But let me show you guys how it is, and then maybe in the next video we'll start editing. But show you how fast and simple it is to just start doing it. So that's why let's choose this one. Go to import templates. I don't know if you see it down here. Import template. Import, see it down here. Import close to this, guys. I will first of all I hope I'm not. Let me remove this Hostinger stuffs. Go to plugins, install plugins. So I like to start with a clean slate. I don't need this. Of course, you can. Some people, just for the sake of the video, I don't need what I don't need. I don't need to use what I don't need. So I just select them together, and then you deactivate. Once you deactivate, you apply. So that I like it light. You understand? Something light, something okay, just give me what I want. Deactivate. Okay, actually I should delete too. It's not going to I don't yeah, it has its use, it has its functions, but for this video I'm not going to be using it, so I just delete and you apply. Blah 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 blah. You want to delete it? Yeah, I want to delete it. I chose to delete it. So I don't want things that are too much clusters and all that. So ask AI, yeah, like so. Okay, so this is it now. You see, you can see it very clearly now. Import. I had to delete it so you can see. Import this down by your right. Import template kit. So everything. Okay, for the best result, it's recommended to temporarily deactivate all active except Elementor and Royal. You see, I've deleted the plugin already, but I think I still have some plugins that are active. These people, they are the owner, they know what they are doing, what they are saying, so we have to follow their instructions. Okay, we have to deactivate. They said we should deactivate all other plugins apart from Elementor and Royal Elementor add-on. The two plugins we are going to use to create a beautiful website. I don't even know what we're going to create yet, but we are just doing it together. So, okay, we've done it, we've deactivated it. Now, let's go right straight into importing. Yeah, okay, I did it already. Yes, they are telling us that they're going to be post images, exactly what we want. So, guys, if you want to quickly just get your site up and running, this is what you do. Just buy your domain name. No, it's not loading. Just a moment. It's taking more than a moment. You buy your domain name from whichever platform, whichever thing you guys, you buy your domain name from there, and then you from there you get an hosting. Hosting is like the house rent you pay, like the rent you pay. Okay, it's asking me for authentication, and okay, I'll just go, and I just want you to see. Well, you know already though, but for the sake of the video, let's just go back to the video. Okay, I think it's has are they finished importing? Okay, it's still importing. Okay, imported, import finished, visit site. So now we have our site now, basically. So look at the site, look at the things that I imported. The header, the footer, archive, post, default page, poll for page. Yeah, this is a complete website, guys. This is complete website. In less than how many minutes you have a website. Now let's first of all let's visit the website. Opening a new tab. I don't need to, but basically, I just assume, guys, you already have your hosting and your domain. So I'm just picking it from there. Domain is what you need for your, for as the name, www dot, like this name. This name now this is just a preview, but this name is the domain. This is the domain. Okay. This, let me show you. Of course, I'm sure that most people already know. So this is my domain, davewebhub.com. It's my domain where I create this website, my services. All right, I put some posts. I even have this for another video. I'm going to show you guys. We'll talk about AI and how to implement all this. Don't worry. Shui, go gently. So basically, guys, let's see our beautiful website. It's done. Just sometimes you don't need to call a developer. I'm a developer, but it hurts. But these days, you can just do it yourself if you just want something not too difficult. So um, this is our website basically. You see, this is our website. We already have a website like this. Okay, let me just do some basic editing. Let me edit. If you want to edit, let's do basic editing. In the next video, I'm going to change fully customize it to have to look differently from this, but we're going to use this template, this structure. You can make it, put some form here, like the way this is, the way this place is, like contact form. If you want to contact stuff, like make everything look. This is basically what, guys. There's no. This is basically what I did. I just go and take a template and then I edited it and I put stuffs. You see. So this is, I want to connect it. This is contact. This is basically what we are going to do. So you customize everything to become yours. Yeah? So no, I wanted to just so basically that's it. Now let's just do basic customer. Let's call this. You come here, edit with Elementor. In the next video, I don't want the video too long. The next video we're going to edit it together, change everything. But for now, I just want to the name and some other things, guys. This is very important. I forgot to, like I said, I'm just freestyling. This is very important. You come here, general. Once you do your site, these are one of the things you do. Come to general. I always like to open it out so that I can always have access to it. Okay, I don't need this right now. Okay, you don't have to say this. You don't have to talk about. So basically, you can. Okay, I don't know. Let's. Okay, this site. Let's just say this site is going to be a logo. Yeah, we're going to do all that in the next video. But I just want us to establish a identity for the site, visual identity. We're going to do all that in the next video. But for now, basically skip. See, yeah, I can make everything. So, but I just want to take in charge of everything so that we can. Yeah, just trying to. So basically, I'm going to show you guys everything how we can edit everything and do everything. But first of all, always come here and uh, settings, permalinks. Always come here. You save. So we just go. No, before you save, yeah. Make sure it's always like this. Then you. All we need to do now is let's give this site an identity. Just give it an identity so we can come here and. So yeah, what are we going to call this? Since it's already okay, let me remove this. This is the structure of the site. We're going to be needing it. I'm going to show you guys how to use it in the next video. But right now, let's just let me show you how to. Why did they have to say this? This preview of websites, we know I have to say it. So basically, you let's just change this. What are we going to call this site? What are we going to call this website? You can actually change. You see, this is the function of the Elementor and the page builder, and the Elementor is the page builder rather, and the real Elementor add-on. It gives it some premium feeling as if you bought it. You see, so we can this one you can change it. You see, if you want to edit anything in the next video I will edit, but if you want to edit anything in Elementor, you just click this thing means edit, you click it. I'm going to show you different tabs. Then this is the style, see the color. Let's change the color. For example, you can change it to it's to yeah. Well, I'm just showing you guys though. Yeah, okay. If it's nature, talking about nature, you have to make it natural color. That's the idea. Well, you have to make it. The color is too. There's so many green around. You have to put an overlay. The next video we'll do some editing. Let's just get an identity for this. I want us to call this site. Since it's green, call it green farm. Mm, not bad. Green farm. Call it green farm. This typing is too. It's a bit too common. This is another animation. Yeah. Okay. Let's just go with that for the sake of not to be too long. Okay. Now let's call it green farm. Let's edit this. You go to content. You see, once you click here, it's going to show you. You come to content, come down. You be careful, just concentrate, and this is the animated text. Self-explanatory. This is the nature. This BRS is an HTML code, which means break. So that's why it's. If you remove it, you see that it will be together. Yeah, it's just so once you preview it, you see. But for now, let's leave it the way it is. This let's call this nature green. Let's call it green farm. Give it a capital letter. Green farm. Yeah, green farm. Okay, animate. This animation is so much but we just leave it like this for now. Green farm. What's everyone to say here? Just something generic for now. Green farm providing for the nation. Providing. No, let's make it. It's too much. Providing for the nation. Okay. I'm going to show you guys in the next video how we can make it responsive This is for the desktop. This is for the laptop, for the mobile and tablet. And this is for. So basically, guys, we are done. We are done. You just have to edit, change the things. Okay. Now this thing is big, obviously too big, but my screen is small. That's why my screen is small. And this background, we are going to make it so that it's going to pop. So I don't want to make in the next video we're going to edit. We are done with. We have our website. For example, let me first of all introduce the typography. It's because of it's on a small screen and this means laptop. But let me, for the sake of call it green farm. This green is not popping too much, but I don't want to use another color for a green. It's kind of doesn't make sense, but I can't use. Okay, or let's just call it yellow farm. Yes, we don't want to call it red farm. Red kind of feels like. Okay, let's call it purple farm. We don't have to. Okay, okay, this color pops a bit, so call it pop farm. Okay, call it pop farm. Let's just call it pop farm. We need to say pop, kind of pop farm. Okay, whoa, yes, pop. Yes. Okay, let's call it pop farm. So basically, you see, this is the pretext and pops farm, pops farm. Okay, we are creating a website for a company called pops farm, and basically now we're done. Now in the next video, we are going to go through how we are going to edit everything, edit this thing to customize it to become the real pops farm. Now we have somebody that's pops want to so create everything, even change everything to make it. But for now, always remember to when you make an update to publish. We're going to make everything pop to make because it's a pops farm, right? So we do everything for now. This is how you create a website. I know. Okay, let's see. Hmm, let's see what we've done. Basically, what we just did, we didn't do really do much. We didn't really do much. We just installed WordPress and installed WordPress, installed the installed the theme and the plugin. So let's see what we've done. You see Pop Farm already looking like it's ready already. It's already. You see, now we just have to personalize it, customize it to become Pops. Talk about our mission. Just edit all these things basically. Put our own information. That's all. That's how fast you can create a website. The rest one we are going to do it in the next video. You see how slick it is. Even you see. So we are going to edit it in the next video. See, it's ready made for pop. So you do it. You have a farm or something. You just edit it. The main work now, the main thing is just the editing. See, we have to edit for different. That's just the only thing you have to do. Different, but it's not hard. Different platform, make it mobile responsive. Different platform. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll move on to edit it to make it really pop farm, and then we'll go on from there. Thank you for watching. Now subscribe. I'm going to be giving you guys loads of more of bits and AI and all that's going to get more of it. So this is basically freestyle. We just want to do something like this. I just want to do something like this so that I can um, always the things I wish I knew when I was learning to become a developer and putting it out there now because I learned from the community. I'm trying to do my best and put it out back. And if you learn also, if you teach, you are also learning more. So just any questions, you can check my website. I'm going to put most of the things on my website. You can reach out to me. Um, but you'll be seeing more of me, guys. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.